Welcome back to Tech Nuggets, where we uncover the latest and greatest in technology. In this video, we are diving into the world of chatbots and artificial intelligence with the conversational generative pre-training transformer, that is ChatGPT. This cutting-edge model is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and I'm here to give you the glimpse of its capabilities. From natural language processing to deep learning, ChatGPT is changing the game in tech industry. So, buckle up. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the incredible features of ChatGPT. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. By the way, are you tired of missing out on the latest and greatest technology? Well, subscribe to Tech Nuggets and you will never have to worry about missing out of the loop again. What I'm going to cover in this video. First of all, what is ChatGPT? General introduction. For tech savvies, technical introduction, and what it can do, some of its most important features, and most important, most buzzing question: will it replace human workforce really? Finally, and some of its limitations. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a computer program that can understand and generate text in a way that is similar to how humans do. It can be used for tasks such as answering questions, generating responses to users' queries, writing stories, interesting, translating text, summarizing text, and even analyzing the sentiment of text. It's a tool that helps computers understand and communicate in human language. Okay, let me do a technical introduction. ChatGPT is a deep learning based language model that uses the transformer architecture. Please note, I have underlined some of the key technical words, and it is trained on a large data sets of human generated text, and it can perform various natural language processing tasks such as text generation, translation, question answering, and summarization. The model is pre-trained and fine-tuned on a specific tasks or domains. This allows it to perform better on the specific task and understand the context. Well, it's implemented in Python and uses PyTorch library. It can be deployed on a cloud-based platforms and it can be accessed through an API. It's a highly demanding technology and hot technology. How the scaling is managed for this, right? The scaling is done by horizontal scaling by adding more machines to the deployment. And also, the fine tuning of the model to specific tasks can also reduce the computational resource required. So, you don't need such a high capacity. So, even the commodity servers can process this model. And this model is based on the attention mechanism, which allows it to focus on a specific parts of the input while generating text. Let us see some of the important features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that can understand and generate human like text. It can be used for generating responses to users' query, text generation and completion, language translation, answering questions, text summarization, sentiment analysis, customizable to specific task or domain with fine tuning, robust to various topics and languages due to its pre-training on diverse data, and also it can write a story, and even it can generate a computer program. It can be a Python program or anything. It can generate some of the programs also. Most pressing and trending question in tech industry today is, will ChatGPT replace human workforce? Well, let's find out. ChatGPT and other AI based technologies have the potentials to automate certain tasks and make them more efficient. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is not designed to replace human workforce, but rather to augment it and make it certain tasks easier. ChatGPT is a tool that can be used to improve productivity and efficiency in many industries. It is true that some jobs may become automated as a result of increased use of AI, but it also creates a new opportunities and jobs in fields such as data science, machine learning, and AI development. Additionally, AI like ChatGPT can also help humans to make more informed decisions, improving the effectiveness of processes and services in various industries. It is also important to note that AI still has the limitations and it can't replace the human skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and many more. Humans have the ability to understand and context and act accordingly, whereas AI systems can only perform based on the instructions and data it was trained on. At the end of the day, it's a program what it was meant for. In conclusion, ChatGPT and other AI based technologies have the potentials to improve efficiency and productivity, but they are not designed to replace human workforce entirely. It is important to consider how these technologies can be used to augment human capabilities and create new opportunities rather than solely focusing on the potential downsides. Okay, let us see some of the limitations of Chat GPT. Okay, lack of common sense reasoning. Chat GPT is not able to understand and reason about the world in the way that humans do. It lacks the ability to understand concepts such as cause and effect and relies solely on patterns in the training data and its biased output due to the large data set which it was trained. And finally, lack of interpretability. The inner workings of the model are complex and difficult to interpret, making it challenging to understand where it generates certain response or makes certain decisions. Despite these limitations, there is a great deal of ongoing research and development in the field of natural language processing and AI, and many of these limitations are actively being addressed. Finally, I would like to thank ChatGPT to helping me to bring out content for this video. Yes, this video made out of the content generated from ChatGPT. If you feel too wordy, too text, it's all ChatGPT. However, I made the flow. I got the content from this itself. Thank you, ChatGPT. And this is just an introduction video with PPT. In upcoming videos, I'm going to demonstrate some of its features with the actual console and the working session. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video.